In this video, we will learn how to show the numbers and statistics in chart to our audience, and we reach to our aim in a short amount of time. He is William Playfair, was a Scottish engineer and a political economist, and he is the founder of static graphical method in the 18th century for the first time. The graphical charts were used by him. He has introduced three graphs named bar chart, pie chart, and line chart, and actually charts are images that can expose existing numerical information to the audience quickly. And if the audience see the statistic in the chart, he or she can receive the data sooner and can analyze them better and sooner and reach to the result. Actually, the charts help us understand the relationship between the elements, and it shows the statistical information in a good way for us. But in this section, we are going to study some charts and see the features of them are column chart, pie chart, bar chart, line chart, radar, histogram, waterfall chart, donut, X and Y scatter, area and bubble chart. Now we will go to the details of each. In order not to miss our next videos, you can click on the subscribe button and the bell. Thanks for accompanying me on this video. Bye bye.